Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing slow mobile data speeds when using YouTube Studio, follow these steps to optimize your connection and improve app performance. Step 1. Close all other apps running in the background on your mobile device to free up resources and bandwidth for YouTube Studio. Step 2. Check your current data speed by using a speed test app to establish a baseline for your connection performance. Step 3. Restart your phone to refresh the network connection and clear any temporary issues affecting data speeds. Step 4. Enable data saver mode in your device settings if available, which can help optimize data usage for apps. Step 5. Switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if one connection type performs better for YouTube Studio. Step 6. Reduce video quality in YouTube Studio when uploading or reviewing content by adjusting quality settings in the app. Step 7. Clear the YouTube Studio app cache by going to your phone's Settings apps, YouTube Studio Storage Clear Cache. Step 8. Contact your mobile carrier if speeds remain consistently slow, as there may be network issues or data throttling affecting your service. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.